I'm James from Sailing Virgins. In this video I'm going to show you how to dock a large monohull. So in this case it's a Dufour 52 out here in the BVIs. Guys, it's so important. In my opinion, docking is one of the most important skills in sailing. It's what everybody here on the shore is going to rate you as a captain by. You might have done the best passage in the world out there, but if you fluff it up in the marina at the end, you're going to look like a bit of a kook. Right, so when we're docking a large monohull, we've got three things to consider. Okay, so we've got our prop walk. Essentially, this is when we put our engine in reverse, the propeller is going to push a load of water out one way of the boat or the other. So if it's pushing the water out to the right or to starboard, it's going to push the stern of the boat round to port. Most boats, you're going to have to guess which way the prop walk goes. It's usually to port. That's just a generalization, but just from working out there in the industry, that's what I've come across, okay? That affects the boat in reverse. It's called port prop walk, okay? Only happens when you engage the engine in reverse. And it can put you really out of kilter, or it can really help you do a nice tight turn in the marina, or bring the back end of the boat in towards the dock. Forwards then, we get prop wash, or we can create prop wash. So essentially that's, if we give it a big burst of forwards, okay, you're gonna get a big blast of water over the rudder, okay? We can use that wash then to help kick us around, and we can use the walk to help spin us. Good burst, feel that wash, bit of reverse, get the walk, stick it in reverse, okay? That way it's moving to port. We're not actually going backwards yet because there's a delay, okay? Into neutral, give it another. Okay, and you hear that water like squishing around, okay? That's the wash. And it's letting the boat turn without giving it more forwards that's important. It's a burst of power rather than a prolonged, because obviously the more power we put on, okay, the more likely it is that we're going to do a really wide turn. Okay, we're trying to keep this as tight as possible, and that's where the reversing helps, because it slows the boat down and walks the stern, okay, in a way that helps us turn. But you see now the bow stopped, so what we need to do is give it a big burst of forwards until we feel that wobble and we hear that wash, okay, get the bow moving again. The reason we're struggling to turn this way is because what's pushing us back the other way? The wind, yeah, absolutely.
The first day on the boat was spectacular. Not only did provisioning go faster than expected, but the wind was perfect, so we threw up the sails, which can be rare for day one. We even spotted a floating fender that happened to be in perfect condition.
Explode like the lights of the dark. Now we know like it will never be the truth of our minds that we forget. So let me tell you what I know if I can. You know I try, I never want to leave the Bible we've made. We'll recreate. You're my baby, and your sweet, sweet heart makes me crazy.
As we approached Peter Island, James prepared the crew for their first docking experience.
Let's hold there. Keep that reverse on. You ready? Ready? Yeah, I'd go. Okay. You're in neutral. Okay, now a little bit of reverse if you can. That's it. Anything will do.
Push me up to the inglorious shadows of a craven. And if we fall, we grow up like exponential assembly. I never thought that some crazy